Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, benvenuto nel mio canale. Today we're going to talk about the shoes that I've bought at Amazon 2 weeks ago versus Vans. Let's start by saying that Vans are now very popular, especially the old school Vans. I bought the basic Vans from another brand, and the price of those shoes are 14 euros, so in dollars are like $17. Original Vans shoes price are from 45 euros to 70 euros. So in dollars is from $55 to $80. I bought the shoes from Amazon 2 weeks ago. So they came out with this box. If you give them a first look, you can see that they are similar to Vans original shoes. I think they are pretty the same. The sole is a little thinner than the Vans shoes. The material of which the shoe is covered is different from the Vans because they are not made of canvas. Those shoes do not have the Vans logo on the back of the sole and also on the top of the shoe. The stitching in the front of the shoe is less precise. The shape of the tip is rounder. Then I see no are flexible enough. I think that if you don't want to spend a lot and your desire is to have a shoe similar to the Vans, I think that these are right for you. There are so many choices on the Amazon site. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Then you can follow me on my Instagram, on my blog, on my Facebook page, and we'll see you in my next video.